We're just gonna stand here and watch out win the whole way through. As soon as we get a chance, it's a wrap.
An unwieldy flash challenge sparked a fire under Team Ryan.
Can we win this flash challenge?
Welcome into episode number 3 of the vlog. This is a retail arbitrage vlog where we're basically learning as we're going. This is very new to me, but so far I'm doing really well and I'm being very profitable so far. My next flip is looking like I'm going to triple my money. I'd just like to thank the audience for watching. This episode is about a test shoe that I'm doing because I have the aspirations of selling on StockX eventually. So right now I have my first pair of shoes listed on StockX, and we're going to go over yesterday's vlog on Instagram. I'm going to throw it into this video so you can catch up on what happened yesterday, and then stick around for a bonus tip about how you can make a $0 purchase with zero money and turn it into money, and it turns into healthy debt and you can pay it back if you're confident in your flip. I'm going to show you that all later on in the video. Alright, so now that I have the money invested in the inventory for the microphones and some money set aside to buy a pair of Yeezys online, I'm waiting a few days for that because I'm waiting for the money to hit my PayPal account so I can hit the purchase. Now some other money left over. I'm just looking for one pair of shoes today. We're at the mall right now. We're going to be going into the Nike store, the Nike outlet store, looking for something that's marked down at least 40% off, otherwise it's not worth it. And there's a lot of good shit in there all the time. I've made some good flips in there before, so let's go for it. And holy shit, do I need to shave. Sorry guys, I'll look better in my next vlog after today, but for today you're gonna have to deal with my facial hair. Oh, shit. Alright, so I got some Jordans. That's what was on the bill. These were the most marked down, most profitable after checking on StockX. I can sell these for about $140 to $160, and I paid $90 for them. So it's a good profit, and if they don't sell and nobody likes them, I have 30 days to return it. So I'm going to list them today, and if they're not gone in 30 days, I just get my money back, and then, yeah, risk-free. Alright, so it's good to go to the Nike store when it's busy. This is something I learned, so that you can see who's crowding around which shoes, which ones are everybody interested in. So like, I found this pair of red Nike Dunks, and they were pretty sick shoes, and they were valued pretty good on StockX. I could have made a decent amount of profit off of them in theory, but all the boxes were still there, meaning nobody's bought any, and there was nobody crowded around them. There was nobody looking at them, and as you guys saw earlier, like, that store was packed. So the shoe that I bought was the shoe that everybody was trying on, the shoe that everybody was interested in, and that's why I'm confident that I can mark it up and sell it, because there was like 20 people fucking trying them on. So yeah.
This is how you level up.
You gotta show up every day.
You're not as far away from these dreams as you think you are.
You have to think I am the best guy out there. You can attack everything. You need to get things done.
And I woke up the next day and I couldn't see for 2 days.
No,
Get
take
it?
your photo.
Oh. Yeah! Let's go! Come on,
Alright, so basically I didn't really know why I was going to the mall today to buy a pair of shoes because I have a lot of inventory on the way. I'm definitely gonna make some money from it. And I'm looking like I'm about to not just double but triple my money from the last pay period with or without buying this pair of shoes. So when I ran all the numbers with the new inventory on the way and stuff, I was like, well fuck, like I could keep these shoes, like I could just wear these shoes, like they could be a gift to myself, but they're not. They're gonna be part of an A/B test for testing the market, for marketing on StockX specifically, the website where you can really get top dollar for your shoe as long as you're okay with giving up the fees of doing business. And I'm experimenting with Yeezys pretty soon, and I don't want to fuck that up, so like this cheaper pair of shoes could be my experiment shoes to see if I can sell them on StockX. Alright, so setting up StockX was actually pretty rigorous. They literally wanted to know my mother's middle name and make sure that I remember that for security questions and all that. Like, it was very intense. But essentially, I got my shoes listed. They used the stock image. Like, everybody gets to use the same stock image for the same shoes, so I didn't have to take any pictures. They're going up for $172. That was the recommended price. And after fees, my take home will be $142. So no, that's the sell faster category, but it told me before that after the fees I'll make about $142, $145-ish in profit from it, so it still beats the $90 that I paid for the shoes. And yeah, fucking grinded.
It's kind of fun.
I can tackle any subject matter in my style, but it's like if someone comes to me for a different style, but I can't do that. I don't think that makes you like an ink master or not.
That makes you a great tattooer,
and
a
an
great artist, but not necessarily ink master.
Alright, so one thing you guys are going to find common in these vlogs is we're going to go over numbers in my cost of goods sheet a lot, because I don't like to just spew out what I'm doing and throw down numbers and projections and what I'm making and all that, like, without showing you guys verified bona fide math that can't be denied. It's the bones to the video. So without further ado, oh yeah, by the way guys, if you like this video, leave a comment. If you don't like this video, leave a comment. I love to hear from either side of the category. I'm always here to learn and grow. So like, comment, share, subscribe. I would really appreciate a subscribe, especially because I'm a new YouTuber. Like, you can look at my account right now. It's pretty fucking pathetic. Like, I could go for some more subscribers. But without further ado, we're going to hop into my computer screen right now. All right. Welcome into my computer screen. This is where we go over the numbers, as I was saying before. Let's fix this window. Holy shit. But yeah, basically, with a cost of goods sheet, essentially never has you questioning, did I succeed or not? I don't know why this window's... Hold on, I gotta move over here. That's why it's at full. So there we go. But yeah, basically, a cost of goods sheet will never, ever have you questioning, will I succeed or not? It'll have you questioning, how much will I succeed? Will the bar be set lower? Will the bar be set higher? But you can pretty much set yourself up for success to know that you're going to be in the profits if you're being really smart with your numbers and if you're being really smart with your market research. Now, market research can sound like a really fancy like terminology, but really it just means like researching your competitors, researching how much shit goes for. If you see something really cheap and you see everyone else is selling it really expensive, then it's obviously a really good investment to flip that product. Now eventually you want to niche down. I want to niche down to either electronics or shoes. So right now I'm selling electronics and shoes. But yeah, we're gonna hop into my drive here. Open up that retail cost of goods sheet. I'm going to break down the whole thing for you right now. It's really not that complicated. All right, so everything in the black is a completely sold item that is part of a pay period that has had a start and it's had a finish. Now, everything in the red is a sold item that is part of a pay period that is still active. Everything in the purple is a hard sell, meaning it's stuff that doesn't sell very fast. Now it does sell because these three things that are in the red were in the purple before they hit the red. They were not fast sells, but they did eventually sell. So it does give you hope for the rest of the list. Everything in the green is everything that I've invested my money into, including the 2 pairs of shoes, the Yeezys, the Jordan Pro, the Shure microphones, and like all of these are Shure microphones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 microphones that I have on the way. Now, when I sell everything in the purple and everything in the green, that should be $2,630. My expenses so far this pay period has only been $40. I've had to fill up my car with gas. My investment so far is $454 from the last pay period was invested into all those microphones, and then $115 for the Jordans. And I haven't counted the investment for the Yeezys because I have not yet purchased the Yeezys. I'm planning on purchasing them in about 2, maybe 3 days from now. I don't know. But basically, like, cost of goods sheet is necessary with retail arbitrage because you cannot be guessing, you guys. You cannot be guessing about where your money is going and how it's spent. So, like, literally, like, let's go over it. So you have your product right here, and then you have the cost of the good. $64 it costed me, $164 it costed me, and then you have the sale price right here. Gonna sell for $130, gonna sell for $450, and then you have your ROAS, return on ad spend, which means all that means is what did I get for it, and then you type out what you actually got for it, and then you categorize it after it's been sold, and then once the pay period is over, then we can rack up what actually happened in sales, what actually happened in profit, investment, money left, all of that. So this whole row is to be decided by the future to see how good I do with sales. But I can at least know that if I should be in the ballpark of $2,600, which is huge compared to the pay period before, where as you see, I only made $900. Turned $454 and $115 investment into $2,630 worth of inventory. That's pretty crazy, you guys. But yeah, anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See you next time.